Hi! Did you know you can create 360 images for free? Well, let me tell you how. On this easy quick step-by-step tutorial. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification button. Ready to start? You will love this and you will create mind-blowing content. Let us dive in.
Go to Blockade Labs, it's free, easy and amazing. Then, have a look at their introductory video. These 360 images are wow. Now you have 3 options. Start an image from scratch. For that, you just write your creative prompt. When you get the 360 image, remix it if you don't like it, or you can even add other features to your creation. Write your prompt and then select the style. Play around with the images and the styles. The more you get to know the styles, the more you can direct your creations. So, my first 360 image was all about creating a natural set, as you can see in the prompt I wrote. Have a look at it. Look at the light and the scenery. I changed the style and the prompt, and this is what I got. What do you think? Let's fiddle with it some more. Now an underwater world full of sharks and beautiful fishes. Look at the light shining through. I really love this. Now a futuristic-looking spaceship. Oh, look at the light, the astronaut, the space. This is mind-blowing, isn't it? This is a great way to create free 360 images. You just have to play with it. I'm sure you will create awesome images. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe and hit the notification button. I'll see you on my next video here in our channel TechForYou. Thanks for watching.